I've got those 10 names in here. Okay.
Those
So.
10 names.
Last.
Last Elwin.
I
Win.
Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. So I rarely win anything, but this time I did. Mojo's Case Kitchen had a drawing of active participants on their Facebook group and I was apparently the winner. Well, what did I get? Let's see. I won a package. Let's open it up. It's a bunch of spices and put that to the side. This is 5 spices and or 6 spices and beer cozy. These are Uncle Bernie's barbecue rubs. So I've got Uncle Bernie's Barnyard Pimp, Uncle Bernie's Hot and Spicy Barnyard Pimp, Uncle Bernie's Rib Tickler, Uncle Bernie's Bombast Brisket, Southern Links Jalapeno Ranch Seasoning, and last but not least, Steak and Brisket Seasoning from Southern Links Barbecue. So I think I need to use one of them. I'm not really sure which one I should use. I think I'm going to use the Barnyard Pimp and make myself some chicken leg. So tag along and I'll show you what to do with it. And while we're waiting, take a look at Mojo's Crazy Kitchen. I'll link to it in the iCard above and also in the description box below. Back in a bit.
Okay, there we go. So I've got some chicken drumsticks. I just washed them off and patted them dry with some paper, and then I put the Uncle Bernie's Barnyard Pimp in a little shaker. So I'm just going to season these and put them in the fridge and let them stay in there for, I don't know, the time it takes to get the grill up to temp. I think. I'm going to cook these on my witha kettle and I'm going to bring you back once it's time to put them on. I don't know if I said that in my intro, but thank you so much, Julie and Mike, for doing the drawing and for sending this out to me, even though I'm in Sweden, because it made me very happy. Okay, there we go. They look really nice. So let's go with that. It smells really nice. See you in a bit. There we go. Coals are hot. So let's make a fire. So I'm going to use my little work thing. I'm going to put it a little bit offside because I want to concentrate the heat. And I'm going to pour down the hot charcoal in here. Not all of it's going to fit in there, so I'm going to move that to the side. I guess I used a few too many. That's going to be okay. Something like so. And of course we need a grate. Something like that. I got a heat source over here. I'm going to put the chicken drumsticks over here. Just going to place them like a small circle. It's just because I don't have that many. I'm going to move them something like this. There we go. I'm gonna let this go for 45 minutes and then I'll bring you back. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes and I'm gonna make a little bit of a baste. I'm gonna explain soon what I'm gonna do. Let's temp this. $166. I want them to be at least 170, 176. Yeah, 178. It's gonna be fine. What I've got in here is really simple. It's a quarter cup of Irish whiskey. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter, and it's about 2 tablespoons of honey. So that's gonna be the base for the base, and then it's not working the way I want. Anyway, there we go. I'll move that back over the fire. And then I'm gonna add to it the rest of this seasoning. I guess that's about 1 tablespoon of seasoning. And I'm just gonna let this melt down. And then I'm gonna start applying it to the chicken drumsticks. Anyway, so I'm sorry about all the shadows and everything, so I shouldn't complain. It's sunny. Anyway, I'm gonna put the lid back on and I'll bring it back in a minute too when this is melted down. I think actually I'm gonna make this easy for myself. I'm just gonna dip this in here. I'm gonna let that go on for a little bit and then I'm gonna do it again. See you in a minute. Let's fill the plate. So I've got a little bit of rocket salad, a couple of pieces of cucumber, a few tomatoes, some bell pepper. That's it. And I'm gonna get a chicken on there, or two. That's a little bit sticky. I think that's okay. There we go. Time to taste this. There we go. Thank you, Julie and Mike. Some barnyard burnies. Oh, I don't know. I said it before. I don't have the package here, so I can't tell you. Anyway, let's give this a try. That's really nice. It's got a nice flavor of scotch. Some sweetness, some paprika, I think. Maybe some chili powder, not much. It's a really nice taste. Thank you very much. Bye.